Hello everybody. Everybody does saving. सभी लोग बचत करते हैं. What is saving? Saving is a deferred spending. That means out of your income you are not spending now, you will keep it for future. So now the saving needs to be deployed somewhere so that it grows well and your target or your dreams are achieved early. So for that everybody is looking for higher return. Here the basic feature of any investment is high risk, high return, low risk, low return. So now question is whether it is possible to have high return with low risk. Yes, of course it is possible. Hi, this is Kishore Hegde, investment strategist. I am presenting you the strategy of MAS. Now here basically there are two types of instrument. One is fixed income and second one is market linked instrument. Now in both of these instruments there is risk. The first fixed income instrument is having inflation risk and market linked investments are having volatility risk. This fixed income inflation risk is for long term and volatility risk is for short term. Now to beat this inflation risk, the solution is equity or like equity products. So here now the question is, if you go for equity there is more risk. Now let us take that any investment is making, that means the investor is making three decisions. The three decisions are portfolio allocation, security selection and timing. So now portfolio allocation is allocating the investment, breaking the investment into different classes, and security selection is choosing the right vehicle, and market timing is the timing of investment. Now let us see the benefit of these decisions. The portfolio allocation is having benefit of portfolio stability, security selection is having benefit of right vehicle, and market timing is having benefit of alpha return or above average return. Now basically there are two types of investor. One is get investor. This type of investor is focusing on his need, and give investor is focusing on seed, right seed. So get investor is asking the question, what can I get from my financial life? He is a consumer type investor. And give investor is asking a question, what can I give to the financial life or this investment? He is a creator type of investor. Now you can compare with the metaphor that whenever somebody is planting tree, he is nurturing it to grow so that in future he can get the fruit, good fruit, not only for himself and for his inheritance. So likewise the investment needs to be nurtured initially and looked after, but here the problem is each and every investor is not having that much time and that much knowledge and expertise. So here is one system, that is portfolio allocation and periodic rebalancing system. System is called MAS. Let us discuss with the one example. Here we can talk about two investors. Both are having investments of 1 lakh rupees each, beginning at the same time, where Mr. X is investing in Nifty 500 stocks and Mr. Y is investing in equity mutual fund and debt mutual fund in some way. Now as for during this 2 years period, the market goes up and the return of Mr. X is around 54%, and the value becomes, his investment value becomes 1,54,000 whereas Mr. Y is smiling and he's having investment with return 50%, around 50%, and his current value is around 1,50,000. Going forward, what happens? Market falls down and the return of Mr. X is negative 20% and his current value becomes 1,22,000, whereas Mr. Y is still stable. His return is negative 2% and his current value is 1,48,300 during that 1 year or 2 year period. Now next, what happens? Again market goes up little bit, and Mr. X during that period, 1 year period, Mr. X is gaining 21%, 21.4% in fact, and current value becomes 1,48,928, and for Mr. Y the current value becomes 1,78,397 with 21% within that 1 year period. Now you see the total return during that whole period for Mr. X is 48.9%, and being his current value 1,48,928, whereas Mr. Y's investment of 1 lakh turns to 1,78,397 with the return percentage 78.4% absolute return. Now here Mr. Y is getting 30% higher. Now the question is what Mr. Y did to get this 30% higher return. He just invested in MAS. Now what is MAS? MAS is Mutual Fund Automated Rebalancing System. Here first of all allocation is done, and according to allocation, this research based allocation investment is done, and after that the portfolio is reviewed periodically, say half yearly, and it is rebalanced annually as per the review and research. Now here this proportion changes as per the PE or valuation. This valuation changes whenever the valuation increases, the equity proportion decreases, and whenever the valuation is decreases, the equity proportion increases. Likewise it happens, and once the investor is invested, his portfolio is going to rebalance after completion of 1 year or during that period of rebalancing period. And during that period this rebalancing is done continuously as per the index value or market value. So during that period, any investor is investing or entering that period, he will be allocated that percentage which is available during that time. Here you can see this line of stock market is having volatility, whereas the blue line of MAS portfolio is having valuation volatility very less, and again it is more than the Nifty valuation in the long period. So basically whenever the valuation of market goes up, the allocation, equity allocation comes down. That is the basic principle. Now the parameter, you can see the different parameter. Here in MAS, return is high, risk is low, and safety of capital is low. Within 3 year period, liquidity is also high during 3 year period, and it is tax efficient. Now basically there are two types of portfolio allocation. One is dynamic asset allocation and second one is fixed asset allocation. In dynamic asset allocation, again there are 3 types for catering different risk profile of the investor. One is aggressive, second moderate, and third is conservative. This aggressive investment strategy is for high risk profile investor, and for conservative risk profile investor, conservative portfolio is suggested, and for moderate risk profile investor, moderate portfolio is suggested. Here the percentage varies. In aggressive portfolio, equity allocation is goes between 0 to 100, and debt allocation again goes between 0 to 100, and total comes to 100. And in moderate allocation, the equity allocation moves between 0 to 60%, and debt allocation moves between 40 to 100%, and total being 100%. Again, in conservative, maximum allocation goes to 30% for equity, and minimum for debt allocation goes 70%. So this way, this is done in a scientific way, and basically this is done, that is buying low and selling high. That means whenever valuation comes down, equity portion increases, and when valuation goes up, equity portion is reduced. Now the investor can choose fixed allocation, and he may not take dynamic asset allocation, market linked allocation. So in that case, suppose he is taking 40% equity allocation, so he will be given 40% equity allocation and debt allocation, and whenever there is change in valuation of his portfolio, again his portfolio is balanced annually, keeping the same proportion, maintaining the same proportion. Here again, he is getting advantage of buying. Whenever equity valuation goes up, that equity portion is reduced and percentage is maintained. So this is truly research based exercise, done periodically, rebalancing done periodically with the expert in this field. Now the question is, how much is the charge for this service or this facility? And the answer is, the charge for this service is absolutely free. Isn't it great? So it is the right strategy to grow your wealth over a period of time with peace of mind. So this is the right move to invest in mass. Apart from this, there are other strategies like portfolio restructuring, where existing portfolio of any investor can be reviewed and restructured, weeding out the unperforming securities. And similar to mass, there is smart SIP, where the SIP on particular date is not activated when there is higher valuation. Instead of equity, liquid fund may be suggested or may be selected, or it may be invested, and in the next month in the market, if suppose market valuation is low, then more proportion of equity is allocated, and again it is getting cheaper. So it is the advantage of getting smart SIP, because it is giving more return than the regular SIP. Again, there is all weather portfolio strategy. That means in this investment there is plan B included, where plan A is mutual fund investment and plan B is having other products like structured product, put options, and peer-to-peer lendings, etc., etc. And again, suppose many investors want direct equity investment, but they don't know where to invest. So there are various stock basket where they can invest directly using that stock basket. That stock basket is theme-based stock baskets. Now here, if you want to avail any of these or all of these free services or free strategies you want to choose, you can contact Finax Wealth Solution and stay invested with peace of mind. So thank you very much for being with me, and happy investing. Goodbye.